Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Alcantara Armrest cover. This is for Tesla Model 3. This is for 2024 and 2025. Let's take it out. This is charcoal black. You can see the quality is awesome. Here is the back side. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my car. Make sure you're cleaning the area. Wipe it. And it's ready. I'm gonna peel these off and put it there. Let's lift this area, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like that. Then close it and push it. We're just gonna go ahead and peel this off. And we will do the same thing on the right side. Now we are done. Let's close it. Make sure you apply some pressure. Otherwise it's not gonna stick well. Now we are done. Let's open it. And we'll look at the right and left side. It is well fitting. And it's not blocking when you open it. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it is very soft and comfy, and it is well fitting, and when you open it and close it, it's not blocking anywhere.